Hello friends, my name is Amulya and you are watching TubeMint. In this video I'm going to show you how to fix Python is not recognized as an internal or external command. So if you've just installed Python 2 or basically Python 3, this video is for Python 3, okay? So I'm going to show you how to fix this error when you have installed Python 3, okay? And so let's go ahead and get started. So basically what happened, you installed Python 3 and you forgot to check the box to add Python to the system's variable path. So what we are going to do in this video, I'm going to show you how you can set the Python variable to the system's variable path. So let's go ahead and click here on the File Explorer and then locate this PC, click on it, this PC, and go wherever your operating system is installed. Okay, so in my case it's C drive. Then you go to users profile, then you click on your user profile folder, then you look for app data. So here it is, app data. Then you go to local, then you look for programs. So it's here we are, programs. Then you click the Python folder, and then whatever version of Python you have, 3.5, 6, 3.7, 3.8, so that's where we are. Now once you are here, when you see python.exe, whatever folder it is, Python 3.4, 5.6, whatever it is, go ahead and copy this. So simply go ahead and copy this location, and then you click this start menu wherever it is, at here or here or here, wherever it is, go ahead and click and type variable. So as soon as you type var or variable, it will give you this option, edit system environment variable. Through control panel, go ahead and click on it, and then go to advanced options, click here if you don't see it, and then go to environment variable. Under system variables, select this path. Under system variables, select path and then hit edit. Now hit new and then paste that location, okay, Python 3 point whatever it is, that Python exe location, and then hit OK, OK, OK. Now you can go ahead and close it and then launch command prompt or PowerShell, whatever you have. Let me launch the CMD as well, and then type Python version 3.8.1. that's the Python I have. Now it's working perfectly fine. I can go ahead and exit. Now let's go ahead and try in PowerShell. You can see, so Python is working here as well. Now it's completely identifiable. Now, so this is how you fix Python is not recognized as an external or internal command on Microsoft Windows 10. Okay, so it may work on 7, 8, 8.1 as well. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. If you have any questions, suggestions, leave in the comment below. I will try to answer it and reply it ASAP. Have a good day. Bye.